जय शंकर दोस्तों, आपने काफ़ी ज़्यादा वीडियो वायरल देखी होगी मिस्टर एंड मिस नॉर्दर्न 2024 की, जिसका फिनाले किया गया था देवलोक प्रॉपर्टी में। तो आपको हमने हर एक चीज़ के बारे में बताया कि किन की वजह से शो हुआ, कौन हमारे स्पॉन्सर्स थे। पर आज आपको मैं एक ऐसे शख्स के बारे में बताऊंगा, जितनी भी आपने वीडियोस देखी वायरल होते हुए, जो भी लड़के लड़कियां वॉक कर रहे हैं, उनके जो ग्रूमर थे, जो कोरियोग्राफर थे, वो हमारी हिमाचल की बेटी अनुष्का दत्ता, जो रोडू से संबंध रखते हैं, और वो मिस यूनिवर्स हिमाचल 2024 के रहे हैं। इसके अलावा मिस यूनिवर्स इंडिया 2024 के फाइनलिस्ट हैं। तो जितनी भी आप ये वीडियोस देख रहे हैं, उनकी वॉक की, हर एक चीज़, ग्रूमिंग की, ये सब उन्होंने करवाया है। इवन रात को 2-2 बजे तक प्रैक्टिस होती रही, -2 टेम्परेचर, -3 टेम्परेचर में।
टाइट होगी इसमें और आप देखो यहाँ पे
आपका ऑडियंस टाइम है। एक्सेप्ट पीला, इट्स पीला। यस 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 आगे से यस यस यस
ओके।
This costume represents Ma Shakti, who is known as the divine force in Hinduism. She is considered the source of power and creation and can transform herself into various forms.
ऐसा देखा नहीं खूबसूरत कोई, जिस्म जैसे अजंता की मूरत कोई, जिस्म जैसे निगाहों पे जादू कोई, जिस्म नगमा कोई, जिस्म
02. Aditi. Aditi Negi takes the stage in the national costume round, beautifully representing the legendary Rani Padmavati, one of India's most admired queens, dressed in a stunning outfit inspired by royal Rajasthan. Aditi brings the strength and grace of Rani Padmavati to life. The intricate costume, complete with rich fabrics, traditional jewelry and vibrant colors, reflects the queen's elegance and royal heritage.
सोचते हैं अब ये हम कोई कैसे।
As Aditi moves, she exudes the courage, wisdom and beauty that made Rani Padmavati a symbol of power and dignity. She honors the legacy of the queen, capturing her timeless spirit with every step.
दरिया के दो किनारे पास है फिर भी पास नहीं, हमको ये गौरास नहीं, शीशे की एक दीवार है जैसे दरमियां, हमने जो था नगमा सुना, दिल ने था उसको चुना, ये दास्तान हमें वक्त ने कैसे सुनाई, हम जो अगर हैं गमगीन वो भी उधर खुश तो नहीं, मुलाकातों में है जैसे घुस गई,
Nisha Chakwan.
मिलते नहीं।
She is representing Bharat Mata, also known as Mother India, who is a symbolic representation of India as motherland of Hindu nationalism and Indian culture. The visual representation of Bharat Mata often depicts as her women dressed in traditional attire, holding a national flag of India. She sometimes stands on a lotus and is accompanied by a lion. Representing purity and beauty, she is often depicted as a motherly figure representing India, symbolizing its cultural, spiritual and political unity.
to traditional Indian musical instruments. They embody India's culture, heritage and spiritual essence, playing a virtual role in classic music, folk, devotional songs and cultural performance.
Contestant number 05, Arya. Arya Hulwania representing stunning tribute to our majestic mountains and natural beauty of Himachal. At the top was magnificent crown symbolizing the great Himalaya, a stunning snake-inspired neckpiece, paying homage to Nag Devta, Tamru Nag, and a touch of reverence and mystic to overall look. Contestant number 06, Kritika. Blessed with spiritual growth and inner peace, Kritika Patna holds in her hand the entire universe, symbolized by Lord Shiva in the form of a Shivling. A Shivling or Shivlinga is a representation of the Hindu god Shiva and symbolizes the unity of male and female energies, creation and the cycle of life. Contestant number 7, Nandini. Nandini is representing the land of Tamils, the fourth largest state of India, which is located in the extreme south of the Indian subcontinent. She is representing its diverse culture, architecture, ancient relics, history buildings, waterfalls, and world heritage sites. It's a home more than a 4 lakh Hindu temples and aptly called the land of temples. Contestant number 08, Niyati. The national costume she is wearing, this lehenga represents all those courageous queens like Rani Lakshmi of Jhansi, Rani Durgavati, Rani Padmavati, and many more who have sacrificed their lives to protect their kingdoms, uphold their honor, and resist foreign domination. Through this swan, she represents the warrior spirit.
ओ कैसे कहें क्या है सितम सोचते हैं अब ये हम कोई कैसे कहे वो है या नहीं हमारे करते तो हैं साथ सफर फासले हैं फिर भी मगर जैसे मिलते नहीं किसी दरिया के दो किनारे
Contestant number 09, Panav. The goddess dream, rouseless sari from India's past, draws inspiration from traditional depictions of Indian goddess in art and sculpture and paintings, symbolizing feminine empowerment, dignity and essence of spirituality, intertwined with traditional Indian attires as it is connected modern day fashion to India's historic roots.
वो भी उधर खुश तो नहीं मुलाकातों में है जैसे घुल सी गई तन्हाई मिलके भी हम मिलते नहीं खिल के भी गुल
Contestant number 10, Shagun Negi. Shagun Negi from Tirubhumi, Kullu. Today she is representing the India's national bird, is a dress that holds the heart of Manipur's culture and history. With its bright colors and detailed designs, it represents not just beauty but also tradition and craftsmanship. The flowering skirt and delicate details of portly symbolize elegance and purity. Contestant number 12, Snehal. Contestant number 12, Snehal. Snehal is wearing the outfit representing Saraswati Mata, the Hindu goddess of knowledge, music, arts, and wisdom. It represents the harmony between knowledge, music, arts, and spirituality. Her attire embodies the quality of a true seeker of wisdom, humanity, purity, and nativity. Signifies that knowledge is not only about reading textbooks, it is about using your knowledge to help those in need and empower everyone around you.
ओ कैसे कहे क्या है सितम सोचते हैं अब ये हम कोई कैसे कहे वो है या नहीं हमारे करते तो हैं साथ
Contestant number 13, Shrishti Dalia.
मगर जैसे मिलते
The gown is a striking plain blue creation that serves as a canvas for the breathtaking beauty of the peacocks, India's national bird. Its simplicity highlights the elegance of the design, while large vibrant peacock feather extended dramatically from the back, creating a regal display of emerald, sapphire, and gold hues with every moment. The feather with their graceful curves and iridescent shimmer mirror the peacock's natural splendor, symbolizes the bird's majestic presence. Contestant number 14, Tanya. Tanya is representing the national bird of England, peacock. It is a symbol of grace, beauty, cultural heritage, humanity, power, and relentlessness. The peacock represented its traditional attire through infinitely designed in vibrant colors that represent India's bird's majestic appearance. Lord Krishna is depicted as the one decorating his kingdom with peacock's feather. Contestant number 15, Vanshika Thakur. Vanshika Thakur is wearing a beautiful green colored dress. Vanshika represents goddess of nature. The goddess of nature is a majestic and powerful deity who embodies the essence of the natural world. She is often depicted as a beautiful woman surrounded by lush green flowers and animals. Contestant number 16. Contestant number 16, Varnika. Varnika. India is known as the Sonali Chilla, or golden bird, because of its wealth, prosperity, and international prominence in the past. Ladies and gentlemen, we now welcome Varnika Johan, dressed to represent India as a golden bird.
उसने जाना कि तारीफ मुमकिन नहीं उसने जाना कि तारीफ मुमकिन नहीं
प्लीज बहुत जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए क्योंकि अगर अपने बारे में बात करूं तो मैंने लगभग अगर 70-80 100 शायद इतने ब्यूटी पेजेंट्स में करवा चुका हूं, लेकिन जो यहाँ पर अभी देखने को मिला, इट्स रियली हार्ड टू परफॉर्म। और बहुत ही खूबसूरत डिजाइन्स, इतनी ज्यादा क्रिएटिविटी ये देखने को मिली है, सच में काबिल तारीफ है। तालियां जोरदार होनी चाहिए इनकी इस खूबसूरत